Hello guys, so in the last video I made of the Pavo 20, end up flying it with a 2S lapo, and that was simply because I didn't have any 3S that would fit this drone. So I changed that, and now I got some new 3S lapo, and I did promise you guys that once I get some 3S lapo, I'm going to be posting a video how this little guy fly with a 3S and give you my overall opinion of the Pavo 20 on 3S, and that is pretty much what we're going to be doing today. Oh guys, so first thing I have to say, I can already I can already tell you, I can feel the extra power right away. On 2S, this little guy was completely under four. Right now, this little drone is alive. That's all I can say. I mean, you can fly on 2S if you want to. I'll say maybe 2S is be a little more suited for inter flying, because after all, it is a 2S. You can fly it on the inside if you want to. And 3S be mostly for outside flying because it is flying pretty good. And that is pretty amazing because we are talking about an 85 millimeter or a 2-inch Cinewhoop, but it is performing amazing. This is a 2-inch that we are flying. And we're doing all this craziness. A 2-inch Cinewhoop on top of that. So wow. And of course, this is really not what this thing is designed for. But hey, it's gonna be handling this good. Why not? Let's see where's my battery at now because I'm having fun and completely forget to check on my battery. Wow. Wow. Well, as you say, guys, I'll wait for this car to pass because it's gonna be making a lot of noise. Well, 2-inch drone are no longer what it used to be. This thing is amazing. Wow. I mean, I say it is as good as a little bit of pop-wash for there. I'll say this thing is as good as a 3-inch or 3.5-inch freestyle drone. And BetaFPV did a pretty wonderful job on making the frame and of course on tuning it because it is pre-tuned. So I'll say you don't need to mess with the tune one way or another. Guys, this is a 2-inch drone. Now I do have some issue with the small little linear antenna. Depending on the position of antenna, sometimes I get issue with my transmission on my VTX. Look at that, guys. This is a 2-inch Cinewhoop that I'm flying. That is amazing. Now, it does not have a regular antenna for your Express LRS. It's a straight antenna, which I wish to actually use a actual antenna, just like Flywood did with the fly lens. By the way, guys, already posted a video about the fly lens if you wanna see, if you wanna check it out. But this is really amazing. I'm just amazed. And compared to the 2S flight I did This is a completely different monster. But hey, look at that. Oh, I'm killing my battery right now. Okay, so I'll cut this short because I'm having too much fun. But I mean, you cannot get an idea. Great on 3S. I hope that you like the video, and I will see you on the next time.